Hello, Nelson here once again. Today I would like to show you a tool I have stumbled upon. Would you want to remove the background of an image? You probably took a picture, you would like to change the background image. Is it possible without Photoshop or the more advanced softwares and tools? This is an online tool that I recently stumbled upon. I thought I would share it with you. So let's look at this tool. Like you see on these images or slideshow, this is the original background. You would like to change the background by changing it to a transparent background like the one on the right side here before you can change the background and put another background on this image. This is for people with graphic design skills. You would need Photoshop to do this. Photoshop is a great tool, but there is a huge learning curve if you have not used it before. So this is for people who are more productive and would like to do things quickly. You would need something quickly for a project. You wouldn't want to get your hands dirty with Photoshop, but you would want to get something useful immediately. This is a nifty tool you can use. It's an online tool, so you'd have to go to the internet before you can use it. All you have to do is to go to this website on Google, and the name of the website is www.remove.bg. So that is the website, remove background. So your intention is to change the background, but before you can change the background of an image, you would have to take the image from the original background, make it transparent or put it on a transparent background before you can then put the real picture onto another background like you would see. So let's look at a few examples here. This is the process. This is the original background, then the transparent background, and then you can put it on another background. So this is what the website says. These are demos. This is the original background, and then they change the background to a transparent one and then put the real image of these two girls onto this background. Isn't it beautiful? So these are the things you see on a lot of graphic designs, and you wonder how those two images came to be, but you have to actually change it to a transparent background and then put it on another beautiful background of your choice. Like this one here. This is a blonde girl in a bush, but then changed into a transparent background, and then she's put on a beautiful landscape or a garden. Let's look at this one too here, and this as well. So this is something we would like to do, and I think this would be very, very useful for your projects if you are interested in getting beautiful images. This may be a game changer for you. How cute this guy is, and then he's turned into another thing here. That's beautiful. So you can do all sort of things with this nifty tool. So let's start and see how the process would go. On the main header or the main homepage of this website, www.remove.bg, you select your image from your computer, and I have a number of images here. Let me select this one here, and it starts to load. That is the original image, and within a twinkle of an eye, I have this image on a transparent background, image without background. So that is a transparent background with those pixelated, no, there's no pixelated. This is a transparent background with all those pixels showing there. That makes it transparent. So then you can download this image, and then you can put it on another software, an online tool as well, like Canva, and then you can take the image and put it on another background of your choice. So let's go to canva.com. I'll probably do another video on canva.com and how to use Canva. It's a great online tool for non-designers who would like to do designs immediately and quickly. I use Canva for most of my designs. Okay, so let's look at what Canva can offer us. We would like to, okay, maybe let's say we want to use it for social media. So we upload the image, upload it. That is the transparent background with the image. Yeah, that is it there. So with our Canva image, let's say we have this background. Okay, now we are done. And then we put our image or the picture of the guy in there. Beautiful. You see how beautiful? We have something already useful that we can use. In fact, Canva can do what we just did, but you have to pay for the premium version of Canva before you can do that by removing the background. But we have done that already, so we can then download this and we have a look at what we have been able to do. Let's call it finished guy. Okay, so immediately let's open that and see, and let's compare that to what. No, I'm not willing to open that in Photoshop. Okay, let's show it in the folder. Open with Paint. Okay, so there you are. There the image is. So this is how you have successfully changed image background from what it used to look like. This is what the main image actually looked like, and this is how it looks like now. You have changed the background, so you can just about change any image. If you are having issues with Canva, just let me know in the comments area. We'll do a lot of videos on Canva and how to be a master with Canva. With Canva, you can do just about any graphic designs work, even more advanced work with Canva. So that is just about it. Within 5 minutes, we have a working image we can use for other projects. Let's do another one. Let's try this naughty girl here. There you are. The girl is already on a background that we can use. Let's download that. Okay, and then let's get to Canva. We add a new page. Let's change the background to something like that, and let's see if we can put this girl onto this background and how useful that will be. Okay, as it loads, we can then, okay, there you are. If it doesn't look good for you, you can change the background. You can always change the background. With Canva, you can change the background to anything you want. So that is how it looks like. Then you download it without any hassle. So that is just about it. Immediately remove or change the background of an image to a transparent background, and then you can then put it on another background. This can probably be done on Photoshop. That's the only option you may have, or any other software that you use already. But this is the quickest way to do this if you have internet connection and you need something for a project immediately. You can easily do this in 5 to 10 minutes and then you are done. This is also very useful when you are dealing with logos, especially with logos. You need the transparent background of the logo in order to put it on a website or social media or anywhere else. Most logos are on transparent backgrounds, and it's difficult to get a logo done in, let's say, Canva. So let's say we have this logo. When we are done with this logo would be on this background. We can download this logo. Okay, so this logo is a paid logo. Let's try another one. Okay, let's try this one. This one I think free. Okay, so we can download this. When this logo is downloaded, we can then put this logo into our online tool, remove.bg, and then we can get a transparent background of this logo for any project we would like to use it for. Okay, let's call it a logo from Canva. We save it, and then we go to our tool, remove image background, and immediately we can take off this background. Why are we doing this? If you have been working online or you work online, it is very, very important to work very fast. You would need a lot of... Okay, so I think our image didn't appear very well. You get the idea. It should have appeared very well. I think the text couldn't appear. Let's try this logo here. Let's download it. Let's leave it at mountain and select it from where it is saved. There you are. Then we can use this with a transparent background for any project we are using it for. We then download and save. There you are. So we have our logos with transparent backgrounds. So this is just about remove BG and how it can help you work faster if you need an image or a graphic immediately. There are more advanced ways you can use this to. You can go to the pricing and see how best you can get something done immediately. I would need the basic one. Select the photo, remove the background, and put it on another background. That's just about it. Have a nice day and enjoy yourself.